In this video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide on how to start affiliate marketing using the Amazon Associates program. If you don't know what that is, the Amazon Associates program shares a percentage of everything people buy from Amazon using your Amazon Associate link. And how can you actually do this? Well, stay tuned until the end because I'm gonna explain everything in a way that any beginner can understand. And also, I'll teach you the top 2 strategies that every associate is using to make well over 10 grand a month using the Amazon Associates program. And now you're probably asking yourself, do I need money to start or buy anything? No, it's all free. Do I need a lot of time to start? No, you don't. Is it hard to learn? Not at all. So what do I need to start? Simply a computer, a mobile phone, and an online connection. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to google.com and type Amazon Associates. And this link right here is gonna show up for you, so you click on it. But before we proceed and sign up, you need to make sure you're signing up to the program related to your country. And to do that, you need to click in this section right here and select the country you're from. Then the page is gonna be reloaded, and then you're gonna click and sign up right in the middle. After that, you can sign in using your own Amazon account or create a brand new Amazon account. I'm gonna click here and create a brand new account. I'm gonna type my information pretty quick. This is something very simple. And after that, I'm gonna click in create your Amazon account. Then they're gonna ask you to verify your email address by sending a 6-number code to the email you just provided. So now to set up our account, we have 4 steps to fill. The first one are the informations of your account. So I'm gonna fill it all here. And after filling all your details, you're gonna click to proceed. Right now in the second section, they are asking for the list of websites or apps you're gonna use to promote your associate links. And don't worry, you can change them all later. For now, you can use your Instagram or Facebook profile. I've just added my Facebook link and gonna click to proceed. Here you're gonna fill your profile details. I'm gonna use, for example, my name and 3 numbers. Then you can tell them a little more about the content you're gonna use. For example, I have just started to learn new ways to promote my links through content, articles, YouTube videos, and more. Now I'm gonna choose content website, but it could be any of these options. How did you know about us? Online search. Then I'm gonna type the captcha. I'm gonna click the checkbox that I agree and click to proceed. And then my account has just been created. Okay, now we're gonna go to the second step, which is find the links, your associate link, to promote the products and get a commission for every product you sell. Okay, so I have this product open right here on the electronic device, and now that you have your brand new associate Amazon account set up, you'll be able to see this grayish banner on the top of the page. And clicking right here in get link, you're gonna be able to see your associate link to promote this product. So you're gonna go with the abbreviated link, and this is the link you're gonna use to promote this product. If you want to promote any other product, you're gonna open the product, then click here again and find the link to that specific product, okay? And now you may ask, how much am I gonna earn for every product I sell? So when I open this page right here, Amazon tells me how much I'm gonna earn for every product I sell depending on the category of the product. So since this gimbal is an electronic product, I'm gonna go look here for electronics. So electronic products fall under the category of 5% commission for every sale you make. And this commission is based off the product price. So if I have this product selling for $99 in the Amazon page and I promote this product using my link, I'm gonna earn 5%, which is almost $5. And the real deal here is not selling 1 or 2 products. You're gonna use strategies that I'm gonna show you in this video to earn more money by the number of products you sell. Okay, so now you have your account set up, you know how to find your product link, you know how much is your commission for every product you sell, which is always going to depend on the product category. And now the next step, which is a very important one that a lot of people forget to think about, is picking up your niche. A niche is a segment of the market, so you can sell musical instruments or physical books or electronics or cell phones or mobile electronics or any other tools. So I really advise you that you choose a niche because it's gonna be very important and crucial for your marketing strategies. And then now the best part of the video, I'm gonna show you the top 2 strategies that most Amazon associates are using to make well over 10 10K a month, and then sometimes 200, 300 or 400 grand per month. And the first strategy is for sure promoting your products using YouTube. And how are you gonna do this? Well, I'm gonna use an example again, Amazon Gimbal. And as you can see, there are a lot of people doing this strategy, and for sure they are making a lot of money with it. I'm gonna click right in this first video right here, and in this case right here, this person is doing a gimbal review. So how does this work? Well, they have a gimbal, or they got the gimbal from a friend, and they do a small review showcasing the gimbal, its functionalities, how it works, how much it costs, if it's worth it or not. And you can check in the description of the video, they have Amazon associate their affiliate links to earn commissions from everyone that watched this video, like the gimbal, and actually want to buy the gimbal. And here he's actually a member of all the Amazon Associates program, at least most of them. I'm gonna go click here in UK, for example, and here I could find the exact product. So I'm gonna click in the product, and here we go. If I buy this product from the link he's left in the description, he's gonna earn a 5% commission for every product he sells. And guess what? He's got over 62,000 views. So can you guess how much money he made from this video alone? And even if you don't want to show up in your videos, you can use AI, for example. We have this website InVideo AI, and I just asked InVideo to create a video for me using gimbals, and I could use this video to promote my product, for example. And you could even just show your hands. I have this product right here. I could do just like he's doing in this part of the video, just showing his hand and showing the product as well. You don't need to show up. This is for sure one of the two best strategies to promote your Amazon link. But the second one right now I'm gonna show you is my favorite one. And this strategy is promoting your products using Pinterest. And how you're gonna do this? For example, I'm gonna click explore. I'm gonna go with Amazon Gimbal again to use the same example to show you how much possible this is. And then you can see there are a lot of people are using this strategy because it makes a lot of money. And the way it works, it's simple. You're gonna create a post here on Pinterest that's called a pin, and with this pin you're gonna showcase your product. You can use videos just like this one in case you have the product with you. You can get videos from the companies that actually created the product. You can create pins using images just like this one, for example, and then you're gonna place your associate link in the post, and for everyone that finds this post, like this product and click on this link, if they buy the product, you're gonna get your commission. And there is not a limit of pins you can make or YouTube videos you can create. And of course, if you want to know more about these strategies, check out the links in the description. Contact me on my social medias. If there's anything I can help you with, if you have any questions, you can count on me. And in case you're wondering about the payment process, how much time it takes for them to pay you, it takes around 60 days, but I'm gonna leave the link below so you can check all the details yourself. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, check all the links below, placed in the description. As always, much love, and I see you in the next video.